Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to activate your eSIM Xfinity Mobile in 2026. So first of all, you need to make sure that your phone is eSIM compatible and unlocked because not all the devices support eSIM. So first of all, you need to open your Xfinity application. After that, you just have to look for the option of services here in the bottom. Now inside services, simply select the option of mobile devices. Right next to it, you will see this activate button. So simply click on the option of activate. Now over here, it will ask which device would you like to activate now. So among the given options, you need to choose your device. After choosing the device, it is going to give you some of the instructions. So you can read them if you want to. Then click on the option of start activation in the bottom. Now on the next page, you need to check the option of get a new number, and then you just have to simply press the next option in the bottom. Now the line is being set up and this may take a few minutes. Now when the pop-up appears in front of you, it is going to say that finish cellular setup. So you need to do nothing but to just click on the option of continue here in the bottom. Afterwards, in your iPhone, it is going to show activate eSIM. So here, click on the option of continue again. Then it is going to take some time and it will show that the eSIM is activating. Now, once it is done, once it says that cellular setup is completed, it simply means that your eSIM has been activated successfully and now it is ready to use. So you can click on the option of done and you are actually done. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.